Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. It's a perfect weather, everyone. Look at that leaves. Seems like summer is over. Uh-oh. Guys, wala na, hindi na mapigilan. Yeah, this is short video only, guys. While we're walking. Alright. Walking pag may time. Summer, say bye-bye. Tapos na ang maliligayang nating araw. Magwi-winter ulit. Yeah. Look at the leaves. Keep changing now. Keep changing. Ayan, oh. Oh. Diba? Oh, yan ang sign. Yan ang sign, guys. Oh. Nagkukulubot na. Oh, halaka. Halaka. Hindi pa ako nagsawa sa summer. Guys, only 2 months summer here. Paano naman yan? Minsan umuulan. Paano mo ma-enjoy? Wala. Diba? Bitin. Bitin, guys, talaga. Oo. Grabe. Hindi tayo pinagbigyan. Oh, ayan, oh, leaves, oh. It's turning orange, yellowish. Diba? Ayan, oh. Compare the other trees, is still green. Kasi may nauuna talaga na leaves na mag-change color. Oh. Ito matagal yan. Matagal yan changing color. Ayun, ayun. Change na rin yan. Few weeks. Hapo. Ayun, oh, change na yun nandun. Halata mo yung mga nag-change color na talaga. Wow. At the month of September. Wow. Marami na nag-change color. It's going to a beautiful view. Especially in the mountain. Grabe. Yan, pinakamagandang view.